Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for 10 JDM cars. They are all great, I'm telling you. So actually I was collecting them from some time, and then I thought that I will do one unboxing. In single unboxing I'll show all of these to you guys. I have like 10 of them. So here is your first car. It's the 95 Mazda RX-7 drift car. So let's open this up, guys. Let's open this up. So I'm going to open them from bottom only so that this will stay intact, right? As much as I can keep, I'll try. Here is your Mazda. Let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look. So here's your turntable look. We have 95 on the side. There are some detailing. The white rims look good. The front looks good with the Toyota logo on it. I really like how they created this side profile and the wheel design. It's really suiting this one actually. I like it. Now let's move to the next one. Next up we have this 98 Subaru Impreza. Man, this looks good. This looks really very good. And the Mazda in the background is trying to move itself. No problem, we'll move it because we are going to put this beauty on the turntable. So let's put this here. Yeah, and this here. And here's your Subaru's close look with the off-white color. The wheel suits on this actually. The liveries look good. We do not have any tempos on the back. That is a bummer. But the good part is we have the detailings on the front and the Subaru logo with the indicators. So it's really nice. Next up we have this Hako Type D. Okay, so you want to stay here. You can go. Yeah, let's open this Hako. I'll try to open it from here this time because I noticed that I ripped the card of the Subaru. Now it is intact. Now it is good. And here is your Subaru. You want to see the bottom? Let's see the bottom. Here is your bottom. And here's your car. Let's put this on the turntable. I literally don't know if this Hako Type R is actually a car or it's a what do you call, a fantasy car. Whatever it is, it looks really nice, and to me it sounds Japanese, so that's why I included this. I really like the 3-spoke chrome wheels on this. It's a copper chrome. We do not have any front lights or the tail lights, but the side deco and the profile of this car looks stunning, especially the back. So nice. It's a nice car to add in the collection. Next we have is this Toyota GR86 from the GR86 Cup. We have seen a lot of them actually in the few months. I like this one, so I bought this one only. The card is good, and so is the car. There is some construction work going on, so apology for the background noise. Here's your bottom. Here's your car. Oh, I dropped it. Actually, why I'm not taking long, because I want to make this video short so that you guys can enjoy it in less time. GR86. Who do not like GR86, especially when this much detailed? The only thing this car is missing is the tail light tempos. The rest, everything is there. The dark maroon, coffee kind of look of the car, the British tone on the side, the side wheels, the front deco with the number 16 on it. Really nice. It's a gold chrome wheels actually. Especially the interior, they created this one with the light color. It's a brownish kind of color, and it's good actually. You can see it clearly because of that color only. It's nice. Next up, we have this 90s Honda Civic EF. There are so many recolors of this, man. But I honestly liked this blue version only. See, I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Here's your bottom that you want to see, and there is your car. Let's put this car here and let's park this GR86 right here. Man, I don't know. I have something for these Civics. I don't have many. I have some. I have mini JD Civics as well, and they all look mind blowing. This one also do not have any back tampos, just the side and the front profile and the front lights there with the Honda logo. I really like the wheels on this color. The white wheels in the sky blue color. Last time we saw this kind of combination in the Fast and Furious Porsche GT3, and this combination always look cool. And there is one more Porsche, I think it's 911. Yeah, it also have this color. We'll show you guys sometime maybe. Next is your Nissan Skyline GTR R32 from the Hot Wheels Screen Time. In the previous times, I saw that this car is so hyped now that it is going like 4 times of the price. But I'm a collector. Oh, I read this one. Fine, no problem. I'm going to keep it. I'm not selling it for the third time of the price of this or fourth time of the price of this. Here's your bottom. Here's your car. Let's put this here and put this here. So I'm not complaining about it. This is a nice car with this kind of dark, I don't know, it's gray or black. It's a metal flake color. It's very clean car. So clean that Hot Wheels did not even put the headlights on it. I like that they created the tail lights. But if there was headlight instead of tail light, that would be better actually. Because I can create tail lights with the markers. But it's really tough to create headlights. I don't want to blow it up. But it's a nice car to collect. Next we have is another Nissan Skyline GTR R32. This one is a Godzilla. So let's open this up. And trust me, this one is even more expensive now than this one. What a hype. This is your bottom. This is your beautiful car with the beautiful Godzilla on it. How can Godzilla be so beautiful, right? It is. Let's place this here. Another cool car without headlights, man. I think this time I need to buy some tempos from somewhere to put on them. But no, I'll keep them stocked just like this. They look amazing like this. I really like the tail lights there. I really like the Godzilla on it. The side profile looks amazing. The front look beautiful and the color suits so well on this. This is really nice car. Next we have is one of my favorite Mazda MX-5 Miata. There are several colors of this, recolors, but as you guys know, I only buy what I like. I like this one a lot. See, the car art is so amazing, and so is the car. Here is your bottom, nicely detailed, and a very nicely detailed car. Oh my god, look at that kit, man. The kit on this RX-7 is so crazy. It does have front lights and everything, so detailed, so well detailed. I think this is something I should call the A game of the Hot Wheels. I really like how they created this fin on it, the color combination, the green and dark gray. The wheels are so well. They are so well, man. It fits so good on this car. The tail light look amazing. This car is actually not just RX-7 or something. It looks so futuristic actually. It's actually a Mazda MX-5 Miata. I'm sorry, not RX-7. And for any Mazda Miata, this is just too much, too much. My second favorite, because the first favorite is still yet to come. It's yet to come, my friends, yet to come. Now have a look on this one. I'm getting better, I told you. This is your bottom. Not much here, right? Except the aerodynamic detail on this bottom. Let's put it here. Let's put this here and park our Nissan. Oh, sorry, Mazda here. A silhouette. R35 GTR with the front lights. The color matches the wheel color. We do not have any tail lights on this. The Liberty Walk logo on the side, we do not have on the front, just the GTR logo on the front. Man, this looks pure. There is something about GTRs, man. There is something about GTRs. I'm sure you guys know that I have bought so many good cars, and yet there is no Supra. Well, how is that possible? If we are talking about JDM, nothing completes without the Supra. So this is your Supra, guys. This is your Supra, and I think this was from the last year, 2024. This is not a new release of 2025. The car is intact, and so is the Supra. Wow, I like the base. It has silver base, chromed base, actually, not silver. It says Toyota Supra and everything. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see. You see that there's a design here over here. I did not notice it until now. There's a black stripe here, the design kind of. On the dark green color, it's not visible. I just saw. Somehow parked all the gray cars here, and they are all gray and black. Wow. Okay, so this is your Supra. Dark green metal flake with the front lights. Wow. The wheels look good on this. The gold chrome wheels. We do not have details on the back, but you can see those exhausts coming out. And if you see closely, you see the trim on the sides. The black trim I was showing you guys. This is a beautiful Supra. I'm just going to put all these cars on the display. I'm just going to look them over and over and over again. This is beautiful. Beautiful. So guys, that was your unboxing for today. The 10 legendary JDMs. Do let me know in the comments what you think about this car. Which one is your favorite? Mine is these three, of course, top favorite. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye.